Tech Flavor Hub. So in this particular video, I want to show you guys how to design your church global website, your global news website. Now to do this, the things you need to know. Things you need to notice. This way. First of all, you need to understand that here, layout and theme is where the design lies on Blogger platform. On WordPress is different. They are entirely different. Now to understand so layout and theme. That's what matters in the design. Let me go to layout. Let's see how things will turn out. Here is where you have your header, you have your blog post, you have your sidebar, you have your footer. This is where things. This is just drag and drop, drag and drop. You just drag and drop. You can be doing it. It's very easy. Let me say I. So this is just this thing. So let's search for. Let's go to Google. Okay. Let's search for free Google free blogger free blogger news templates. Free blogger news template. Let's check it out. I see. Let's see this one I see. Check this one. I see. You can see several designs here. There's several designs here. Try the issue this one can go. This one can go, right? Let's check this. Shawarma. Oh, no. Let's go for something else. Groovy. Let's see Groovy. Groovy is okay. Ends are not good. Ends are not groovy. Groovy is like melody. After downloading Groovy, then we'll install Groovy. Once you install it, our this thing will change. Our interface will change. Then when we install it, we'll make another post. We'll make another post. Another post. To make this thing we'll make it two so that it will look maybe we'll make up to 4 posts, 4 or 5 posts for demo post, not real post. Demo post. Demo post. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that we can dish out more amazing content like this.